Glyphosate, herbicides, and your health. WebMD, that's credible, right? What is glyphosate? What is herbicide? So farmers, they don't like all these worms and all these, So what? They want to kill them. If you use glyphosate, you kill the plant as well. So you know what they have to do, and you know what they did? They want to kill all these, you know, other stuff, which is not good, the weeds and whatever, but they don't want to kill the plant. I mean, come on. You're there to grow something. You're not supposed to kill the plant. So you know what they did? Genetically modified. So they genetically modified these plants like corn, like soy, so that it can withstand the glyphosate. Everything dies, you can put it, but the plant will not die. But these are GMOs, okay? Now let's read on. Let's read on. So, exposure to glyphosate. They spray on the crops, corn, soybeans, and that are genetically engineered, the GMOs, remember? They also sprayed on non-GMO crops such as wheat, barley, oats, beans to dry the crops so that they can harvest them sooner. It gets into the food early in the food chain before raw food is harvested and before it is processed. So which foods have glyphosate? Let's take a look. Honey, fruits and nuts, fruit juice, pears, blackberries, limes, raisins, walnuts, grains, breakfast cereals, wheat snacks, bread, wheat seeds, rye, oat, barley, and linseeds, and it goes on. Vegetables, such as yams, potatoes, peas, and dried lentils, meat and fish. Found, guys, glyphosate in beer. They found glyphosate in oats. Wow. Okay. It's everywhere. It's everywhere. Long-term health risks of glyphosate exposure. Short-term exposure to glyphosate isn't something you need to worry much. They're saying short-term exposure is no need to worry, but its long-term risk may be a concern. Scientists are divided. If they are being funded, what's the word for it? Yeah. You don't kill the whatever that feeds you. You know what I'm saying, right? So there is a conflict. There is a big conflict of interest. So depending on who is saying what, isn't it? So let's look at this. Cancer. Some studies suggest glyphosate may be linked to cancer. Okay. But others suggest there is no link. Well, which one do you want to believe, guys? The International Agency for Research on Cancer categorizes glyphosate as a probable carcinogen. Carcinogen means cancer-causing, right? For humans. However, the EPA, Environmental Protection Agency, says that glyphosate does not pose a risk to humans as long as it is used according to direction. 2023 study by the University of California, Berkeley, found that glyphosate is a probable human carcinogen. Wow. It's cancer causing, guys. Liver and kidney damage. Glyphosate may affect your kidney and liver. Studies on humans have found possible links between glyphosate and non-alcoholic fatty liver, common, metabolic syndrome, cirrhosis, hardening of the liver, and chronic kidney disease. CKD is on the rise. So this is no joke, guys. This is no laughing matter. Okay? Now, endocrine and reproductive issues. The EPA says there is no evidence that glyphosate interferes with the endocrine system or hormones in humans. However, a 2024 study linked glyphosate levels to infertility in men. Digestive issues. According to a 2020 study, a majority of gut bacteria, we need to have good bacteria. We need to have this flora and fauna of bacteria, right? But majority of gut bacteria may be susceptible to glyphosate. It's damaged, which could affect the makeup of the human gut microbiome. Wow. So what is the takeaways, all right? While the EPA has stated that glyphosate is unlikely to cause cancer and other negative health effects in humans, some studies dispute that. With the variety of contradictory information available, it's a good idea to be aware of the potential links between glyphosate and health issues and take steps to limit your exposure. So, what can you do? Take organic food.